Hi, morning. Once again, inching back to 26,000. What's going to happen this time?
Yeah, third attempt towards
Third attempt,
26,000
right?
mark. But a renewed market strength, good sector composition. Last leg of 26,000 mark, we were so much dependent on the bank Nifty and the PSU banking index. But this time around, the changes, you have defense stocks which are doing very well. You have the IT names which have started to show signs of very good recovery. Metal counters overall have done reasonably well. Auto stocks are making a comeback, gradually one by one. So when you see the market composition, it's a lot more better, lot more spreaded across the large cap names. The best part is that in this leg of 26,000 mark, we are also at a point where the Nifty mid-cap index has already hit a fresh lifetime highs. So the market breadth is also improving. Now, when you try and look at all of these data points, it indicates that we should be looking at a breakout of 26,000 mark this time around, and then finally that potential new high possibility, which was lurking behind, I think, the last month. I think that should happen this time around.
Finally, we'll get you to do that link, right? You've been mic'd up and waiting for that moment for quite some time. But Kunal, like you said, it's more broad this time around. Many more sectors, many more heavyweights participating in the move. Tell me, what's the stock bias one should have?
See, right now, in terms of the momentum sectors, it's still lies with the banking index. PSU banking stocks are still looking quite okay. Large
But
cap,
not as concentrated as the last
not
attempt,
as concentrated, but this time around the changes, you have better options. You have mid cap names, not just the defense and the IT names, but the other rest of the mid cap stocks. You look at the number of stocks which have been hitting 5% and 10% on the back of very high volumes. That number is increasing, by the day. And the fact is that these stocks, after that 5% or 10% jump, they are not seeing an immediate reversal. So that is the biggest sign of a strength sustaining, where you see these stocks moving up one by one, layer by layer on the upside, and they are not receding back or ebbing off their gains. So that's another positive sign.
Right. So any picks you would have for the day?
Yeah, so a couple of names from the IT pack. KPIT Tech is something which starts to look attractive. The stock heading towards a breakout about 1200 levels. So would look out for a near-term target of 1300 for KPIT Tech, and stop loss could be kept at 1210. And from the other names, insurance stocks yesterday managed to make a very strong comeback. HDFC Life is something which I would highlight at current levels. The stock looking attractive, so would look out for targets closer to 810 and stop loss at 765.